Don't get me wrong ne. Azi awazi ukuthi maybe uJessica or maybe uJunior or uBobby bebangenamali bebacabanga ukuthi isitakwa or yini ne enze ukuthi angazi uChiefs nomjita ne. But I don't wanna lie, bruh. And I'm sure ngikhulumela nabantu abaningi mfethu. I'm happy to see uMbule mfethu. If uyazi ibhola. If uyazibhala ngiyazi soloko lithi hey uyalazi akana assist akana goal, but I don't wanna lie guys. Ngihappy nje ukubona uMbule ahappy kanje. Angazi ukuthi Pirates or yini mar guys. Bengicela ukubonga nje for lo Mbule lo. I don't wanna lie. And ngicela ukucacisa nento eyi-one people don't understand ngoMbule mfethu. Mbule you don't expect an assist or expect a goal. No. Umbule wenza into eyi-one egroundini smachance. Umbule ukukubambela ibhola and ukukunika ibhola. And one thing about Mbule Smile, Mbule umnandi. Oh, uyabona kunabantu abajimayo ukuthi bazi ibhola babe fit babenzene ne. Hayi wo. Lesibalo ngathi uNkulunkulu makameza ne beka yazi maybe mabakunika italent ukuthela idrop. uNkulunkulu maybe umuntu undistractile asathi ithela idrop wathela kakhulu kuMbule makabuya ay uright uzoba ifootballer lo ovela wamlahlela le awu le imnandi yena effortlessly sibani umsebenzi kaMbule ukubamba ibhola anika ama assist. And I don't wanna lie, bruh. I'm just saying this. I'm happy to see this guy. He's regularly playing. Uthola the squad call up for his talent and for his physique. Aye. And ngiyethanda ukumbona jabule kanje bana hayi ngibone emaphepheni or ngimbona kuma mimi nimbambisa abapiya. No, I love this Mbule, bruh. Especially for the football in South Africa. Aye, le mnandi lesibali. Le, ayi le mnandi bachets nyamiyeka yo.